So other than that, the news related to the US economy is that a period of transition, says President Trump, dodging the recession fears amid the market turmoil. Now, his tariff policies have triggered volatility, with tech stocks tumbling and S&P 500 down over 6% since February. Now, Treasury Secretary called it an economic detox from public spending. Despite the biggest market rout since his re-election, Trump remains unfazed, blaming globalists and insisting they are bringing wealth back to America.
Rather than moving on, Donald Trump is threatening large-scale sanctions and tariffs on Russia until a peace deal with Ukraine is reached. On Truth Social, like I mentioned earlier, he urged both nations to get to the table before it's too late. The move follows his tense Oval Office clash with Zelensky and a U.S. pause on military aid to Ukraine. The U.S. Treasury Secretary, in fact, also warned that sanctions would be used aggressively for maximum impact.
U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said that Fed is in no rush to move on the interest rates as it awaits greater clarity on Trump's aggressive policy changes. Now, speaking at the Policy Forum in New York, Powell highlighted trade, immigration, fiscal policy and regulation as key areas of uncertainty. While markets expect rate cuts, Powell insisted that the Fed is well positioned to wait and monitor the evolving economic landscape.
Rather than moving on to some more headlines as far as President Trump is concerned, more updates from President Trump. Then he said in an interview that he will soon pick a new Federal Reserve Vice Chair for supervision, replacing Michael Barr. Remember that Barr is stepping down before his term ends in July 2026. The role is key in overseeing bank regulations, and markets are watching closely for Trump's next